Boy, even the rooster's getting up close. He knows something good's about ready to come out. I saw that, you punk. Snooze you lose. Well, that's very gentlemanly of you. I get the word out. Last one. Oh, you lose. Sorry, darling. Got some new recruits yesterday. 2 leghorns, 3 Easter eggers, and a turkey. That's that one right there in the middle. I have them in their own pen, but Oak Tree took my spare one out. So I got this welded wire. I basically just do a small pin within a pin, and I got this house that I originally made, kind of like an external nesting box for a hen that was broody, but I didn't have any fertilized eggs yet this year. So no hens laying chicks this year. I also thought I'd be smart and put a tarp to give them more shade, a 20 by 20 foot heavy duty tarp over my pen. And during the last rain it basically crushed in the top of the pen, so I had to fix everything. The middle board was just split. I didn't support it. I didn't think it'd form bellies because the whole thing is on a slope. I figured the water would run off, but nope, it didn't, and had to fix the roof again. And now I have a pole that I support this three-way split, and then I'm probably gonna put another one right here. But yeah, as you notice, my pen, I got chicken wire all over the top, so they're all surrounded on all sides by protection because you need it here. As many hawks as I have.